Say goodbye to manual data entry and hello to seamless automation, connecting your Beehiiv newsletter to virtually any app you use. In this quick guide, we'll show you exactly how to leverage Zapier to supercharge your Beehiiv newsletter business by automating workflows first things first. Navigate to your Beehiiv dashboard and locate the integrations section. Look for the option to connect with Zapier. Next, head over to Zapier.com and log in or create a free account. Once logged in, click on the prominent Create a Zap button to start building your first automation. For the trigger, search for Beehiiv. Popular triggers include new subscriber, for when someone signs up for your newsletter, or new post. When you publish fresh content, select the trigger that best suits your workflow. Now it's time to choose your action. This is where you connect Beehiiv to another application. For example, if you want to add new subscribers to a Google Sheet, search for and select Google Sheets as your action app. Within Google Sheets, you'll choose the specific action you want to perform, like Add Row. This tells Zapier what to do with the information from Beehiiv. This is the crucial step: mapping your data. You'll see fields from Beehiiv on one side and fields from your chosen action app, like Google Sheets, on the other. Simply drag and drop to match them up. For instance, map your Beehiiv subscriber email to the email column in your Google Sheet. Before activating, it's vital to test your Zap. Click the Test Trigger button to ensure Beehiiv sends data correctly. Then, test your action to confirm it's performing as expected in your connected app. A successful test means your automation is ready. With Zapier and Beehiiv connected, you can automate everything from adding subscribers to Google Sheets or MailChimp, to automatically sharing your new posts on Twitter or Facebook, and so much more. Save precious time and unlock the true potential of your newsletter business. Happy automating!